Hi, my name is Benjam, and I would like to apply for the web developer position in Two Hands Logic. So let me show you one of my recent projects, which is an e-commerce application, and I have done this using Python Django framework. So this is the code for that, and uh, the ID I'm using is Visual Studio Code, and let me run the project using the Python Django inbuilt server. So yeah, the server is here, server is up, and we can access this project. Oh. So this is the home page of this web application. So basically, this is a website through which a user can purchase mobiles. So it's basically an online mobile store. So a user has to register in order to log in. So first he has to register, and already I have a registered user with me, so I can log in with that customer. So let me log in using this customer. So after logging, then a customer can see all the products which are available in the website. So these are different mobiles that a user can select to buy. So let me select a phone from here. Uh, so when we select a phone, actually its details are displayed in a different page, and there is an option where a user can add this to cart. And currently I am working on in now in almost every e-commerce, I mean renowned e-commerce website, there is an option for image zooming. So currently I'm working on this thing. Actually, this is almost complete, but the thing is that we need a larger image of this mobile to show in the right side, the zoomed image side. So currently I don't have an image with me, an enlarged image of this mobile phone. So that's why I have put a random image to demonstrate this thing. So that was my latest update on this project. So anyway, to add this product to the cart, we can just click on add. So we can see this thing getting updated every time I add this to cart. And to continue shopping, I can go to home, and I need this. If I need this thing, uh, I can add this thing to the cart. So the cart is getting updated, and I can go to the cart page like this, and I can if my order is okay, then I can go to proceed to checkout, and then we can see an order summary, and as well as the price, the total price and total items, and we can fill in the address, and we can make the payment. So currently make payment system is not implemented. Anyway, when the user uh, clicks on make payment, what happens is that his shipping details is recorded in the backend, as well as his order is noted as completed. So we can begin the process to ship this thing to his address, his shipping address. Okay, so uh, and the thing is that when one order of a customer is completed, the cart is automatically initiated to zero, so that he can do another purchase. So mm, now here is the logout button for this. So this is the total functionalities for a particular user. So let me log out, and here we can access the admin account using the admin credentials, and we can see we can post a new phone if we want, update a particular phone, and delete a particular phone if we want. So admin is the basically admin is the updating all these things for the customers. So if you want to post a new phone, we can do it here. The admin can do it through here and can update a particular existing phone, can delete an existing phone. So this is the functionalities of this web application.